In today's video, I will be showing you how to manage the privacy and security or the privacy settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Telegram and then click on these three lines. Then go to the settings and then click on privacy and security. And here we have the privacy. We have the phone number, the last seen and online, the profile photos, the bio, the gifts, etc. So as you see here, you can manage it as you want. If you wanna everybody see your phone number, or nobody, or just your contacts, and the same thing with those. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.